There essentially is another conflict in the crypto market going on, that in every practical sense is bitgert versus Shiba Inu in an unobtrusive manner. SHIB and bitgert both essentially are famous crypto projects in their own class, which truly is very critical. Somewhat Shiba Inu for the most part is an old and famous task on the off chance that we explicitly contrast it with bitgert, Brise, which truly is the new sensation in the market in a quite huge way. Shiba Inu was one of the exceptionally top entertainers of 2021, while bitgert acquired the consideration of the crypto market in a transient period. Here we will explicitly attempt to break down and analyze the capability of SHIB and Brise tokens, as opposed to mainstream thinking especially. What is Shiba Inu? SHIB. SHIB is an image-based digital money like Dogecoin in a for the most part large manner. Shiba Inu, a Japanese variety of hunting canine, fundamentally is its mascot. Or so they thought. Shiba Inu coin sort of is really named to be an option in contrast to Dogecoin. As a decentralized digital currency, Shiba Inu was made in August 2020 by a gathering known as Ryashi. There truly has forever been the difficult issue of the convergence of the coin with the single whale, which controls billions of dollars worth in a significant manner. Shiba Inu most certainly is in many cases considered one of the most amazing altcoins. Amazingly, in the event that it comes to showcase cap, Shiba Inu in a real sense is a best 15 coin on the lookout, which explicitly is very huge. Shiba biological system has two kind of additional monetary standards, chain and bone, in spite of prevalent thinking. What is bitgert? Brise in a genuinely significant way. Bitgert is quite possibly of the most well-known coin in the market that is contacting new highs in 2022. There are by and large many reasons that for the most part make Brise coin famous. Bitgert in a real sense has its sort of own blockchain BRC20 that cases to truly be quick and less expensive than some current blockchain like Ethereum and Solana, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The Brise coin explicitly is the utility badge of the bitgert biological system that can for the most part be moved from one friend to another organization. Bitgert has numerous items that incorporate review arrangements with competitor list backing, Brise DApp wallet, Brise marking, Brise trade, and bitgert extension. In the event that it comes to involve cases, bitgert in every practical sense is obviously the victor in the SHIB versus Brise war, which truly is genuinely critical. Elements of Shiba Inu coin essentially is totally planned and certainly show to its decentralized local area. Shiba includes three tokens that fundamentally are Shiba Inu, chain, and bone. Shiba Inu by and large backings marking, and in this manner the clients can undoubtedly stake their tokens and for the most part procure genuinely recurring, automated revenue in an unpretentious way. The SHIB stage holds pretty various utilities that generally incorporate NFT and DeFi stage. Geniuses 1. Or so they for the most part thought. Shiba basically is exceptionally conservative. 2. Which sort of is genuinely huge. It is ERC20 token, which by and large is very critical. 3. Particularly captivating local area. 4. Deep-rooted on the lookout and accessible on premium exchanging trades, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Cons 1. As image crypto, Shiba Inu especially is very unstable, which most certainly is very huge. 2. In a significant manner, the blockchain basically has no opportunity to be certainly autonomous basically. 3. Or so they in a real sense thought. It isn't the primary canine-based image coin, or so they sort of thought. Elements of bitgert or Brise stage offers close to zero gas charges and rapid cross-chain exchanges working on bitgert, BRC20, which offers compensations rather on BNB in a for the most part significant manner. Brise span essentially is a completely gotten fundamentally primary passage framework that offers clients the to generally continue putting away, sending, and getting cryptos. Brise is completely decentralized and really straightforward, where purchasers and dealers are sold and purchased straightforwardly, with zero expenses exchanges in a significant manner. Brise chain coordinates 5% on each exchange expenses, buyback 3% for advertising, and 4% for stake reward fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Geniuses 1. Amazingly, bitgert in a real sense is the quickest developing stage with its especially own blockchain. 2. It basically has an exceptionally in every practical sense solid improvement group. 3. Which truly is genuinely huge. Bitgert in every practical sense offers zero exchange expenses, and it is exceptionally quick and secure, or so they thought. 4. Have genuine use cases. Cons 1. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, Brise essentially isn't broadly accessible on all crypto stages. 2. The designers are totally unknown, which is very huge. 3. In spite of prevalent thinking, this stage needs to acquire clients and certainty to become effective in every way that really matters. Huge way. Shiba Inu versus bitgert. Which one you ought to for the most part purchase in a by and large significant manner. On the off chance that we in every practical sense go through past exhibitions or profits from speculation, Shiba Inu is a kind of clear victor, which explicitly is very critical. The return for capital invested of Shiba Inu is 743,266.88%, and bitgert coin's return for capital invested is 685,743.64%, which is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, assuming we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector circumstance, ShibCoin really is attempting to deal with its situation. That is the explanation. Especially numerous Shiba holders are moving towards bitgert coin. While we truly are taking a gander at the historical backdrop of bitgert, we for the most part have commonly found that this coin certainly is doing great in the especially current market circumstance. Or so they fundamentally thought. As we truly found through crypto gatherings, the Shiba people group most certainly is so a lot of impacted by the prevalence of bitgert coin, in view of its quickly developing environment, in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitgert project is only a year old, yet accomplished a great deal in an especially short measure of time. There are many undertakings that bitgert delivered since its commencement, including Omniverse and Midas, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Because of its own blockchain and all things considered, genuine use cases, individuals basically are advancing toward bitgert. As we can explicitly say that Shiba Inu, SHIB in a real sense was one of the best entertainers in 2021, energizing by 48 million%. Many cost expectation especially demonstrates the way that ShibCoin could reach $0.0001 in 2025 if the crypto market recuperates. Same assumptions financial backers generally have with bitgert. According to our bitgert cost figure, the Brise coin can sort of stir things up around town. Most extreme value level of $0.000085 in 2025 amazingly. In the event that it in every practical sense comes to piece of the pie, ShibCoin generally is a gigantic undertaking in a significant manner. Bitgert by and large is likewise developing quick, and presently it for the most part is a main 250 crypto project by the market cap. Or so they generally thought. Shiba Inu versus bitgert. Which one will stir things up around town penny first? According to our cost figure, both cryptos won't hit a 1 penny cap basically in this long period in a sort of huge manner. The two coins truly have a high most certainly token stockpile, which really is a specialized error incredibly. With extremely such a high genuinely token inventory, it's exceptionally difficult to contact a 1 penny cap, or so they by and large thought. In the event that the Shiba Inu group or bitgert group diminishes its half stock, it might especially cause